Walt!
What the hell is wrong with you? Why can't you do one thing I say?
What?
This is your fault. This is what comes of your disrespect. I warned you for a solid year. You cross me, there will be consequences. What part of that didn't you understand?
You took my child.
Because you need to learn.
You bring her back!
Maybe now you'll listen. Maybe now you'll use your damn head. You know, you never believed in me. You were never grateful for anything I did for this family. You're always whining and complaining about how I make my money, just dragging me down while I do everything